RS 1 lakh and you can get this villa in Bangalore North. This is a from Prestige Woodside, a 4 BHK villa available for rent with a servant quarter and a driver's bedroom. This will be your entrance area. You have to cover car parking over there. You got this main door. You have a security system over here. Shoe rack and a foyer area you can tell. This will be your dining area with a cookery unit. Look how spacious this living room is with a puja unit and a TV unit. You got your spacious private garden where you can grow your vegetable and fruits. Check the size of this garden and the flowers. You have a terrace garden. You have a balcony over here. You have a terrace also. You got access to your terrace. You can check the amount of light you are getting in your flat. You have a modular kitchen. You can see chimney, stoves, everything has been provided. And you can just check how spacious this kitchen is. A lot of storage have been provided with a dual sink. You got a servant toilet over here that your staff can use directly from the parking. Moving forward, we have this first bedroom and a common washroom over here. Some storage are made. This is the washroom, first bedroom. You can check the size of windows to provide an ampere light in your flat with an AC, wardrobe with lofts, wooden flooring, and your private garden is here. We have an attached washroom with glass separation. Done. You can check the storage and the size of this mirror in the washroom. We have some dressing table type of thing here. You can check this one. This is your spacious living room. We have this puja unit also. Ganpati Baba is already sitting there. This is a duplex, so upside we have 3 rooms with a living room. You can check the size. Every furniture can be shifted. While coming on the first floor, we have this living room over here. On the left hand side, we have one room, again with wooden flooring, big size windows. You can check the storage unit here in the foyer area. We have a washroom with bathtub and all the fixtures. You can check the size of this bathroom also. AC, second AC. So count the amount of AC and everything we have provided. This will be your wardrobe with lofts and a small dressing unit section. This will be your third bedroom, again with wooden flooring and an attached washroom. All the rooms got an attached washroom, so you don't need to worry about anything. We have glass separation done in all the washrooms with storage. You can check the size of these bedrooms and the window. Again, storage have been done, study table for your children. You can plan this room. and they got a dressing table also to get ready for their schools or office. And you got this beautiful inside view. We have this villas. You can just check the view from here. You have two car parking here in the same like that. You can accommodate your two-wheeler also. So let's see the fourth bedroom also first. So this will be a fourth bedroom again with the wooden flooring, big size windows. You can check the view. You are getting the view of your entrance area with a lot of greenery, and a small storage have been provided. Like a lot of storage is there. Again an attached washroom with glass separation. All the fixtures have been done. You can check the storage, 1 2 storage we have provided. Exhaust fan, everything is there. And this will be again one living room on the first floor. So here also TV unit has been done. So TV cabinet with the storage have been provided. So this is the great thing you can get here. And attached balcony even on the first floor, which is looking towards your garden itself. So you have this private garden where you can grow your fruit, vegetables, everything. And the rent for this flat is 1 lakh plus maintenance. You can contact on the description given below. So I will give you a tour of your terrace too. So as you can see, you have this spacious living